Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to make a very interesting and very useful project. In this project, you can lock or unlock your door just by giving voice command. And the best part is, you don't require any kind of internet, Bluetooth or any mobile app. This is completely offline system. Basically, this project is offline voice control door lock system in which you can lock or unlock your door just by giving simple voice command like door open, door close, please open the door and many more. And the best part is this system also responses in human like voice like the door has been opened or the door has been closed. Let me show you a demo first how this system works.
Welcome to the Technolab Studios.
Hello Lina,
Hello Technolab.
please open the door.
The door has been opened.
Close door.
The door has been closed.
Door open.
The door has been opened.
I am going.
The door has been closed.
I am here.
The door has been opened.
Quit.
Please call me if necessary.
Before we dive into the working of this project, let me quickly introduce the main component behind it, the VC-02 voice recognition module. This tiny module is made by AI Thinker, and what makes it special is that it works completely offline. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth and no mobile app is required. Inside it, there is a powerful voice chip that's designed specifically for offline speech recognition. It runs on a 32-bit RISC processor clocked at 240 MHz. And has a built-in DSP engine and floating point unit for fast and accurate voice processing. Now the best part, it can store and recognize up to 150 voice commands, which you can train using their easy to use tool. So whether you want to say open the door or turn on the light, the VC-02 can detect it instantly. It also has a built-in speaker output, so after recognizing your command, it can respond back with a voice message like door has been unlocked or access granted, just like you saw in this project. In terms of connectivity, it supports UART, I2C, SPI, ADC and PWM. And it can run on any power supply between 3.6 to 5 volts with a minimum of current of 5 milliamps. So overall, if you are planning to build a voice control smart devices that work offline, this module is one of the best and most affordable option out there. For door lock mechanism, here we are using solenoid door lock. This project is perfect for creating smart access control system at home, and this project is useful for elderly people and childrens. In this video, I will cover everything. I will let you know how to make firmware for VC-02 module and how to flash firmware in the VC-02 module. And also I will let you know how to make connection of this solenoid door lock with the VC-02 module. So let's get into this video. To build the firmware, you need to open this website, that is voice.aithinker.com. Click here English to translate this page in the English. After that, click on here register for free. You need to give basic information about yourself, that nickname, company name and verification code that you will get in your email ID. I already have account on this page, so I am directly logging in. After successfully login, click here create product. Select the product category. I am selecting lamps, in which I am selecting ceiling lamp. You can select anything you want. Here then you need to select a scene. Either it is offline, offline plus Wi-Fi or online. In our case it is totally offline, so click on offline. Then select the module, which module you are using, VC-01 or VC-02. In our project we are using VC-02, so select the VC-02. So I am giving here door lock system. You can give any name you want. Then here select the language. This only support two languages, Chinese or English, so I am selecting English. Then click on save. In the voice SDK section, this microphone configuration, echo cancellation, leave this setting as it is, but change one thing, this steady state noise cancellation, make this open. And leave this pin configuration as it is. Here we need to give the wake up command. So here one wake up command is also there, that is hello Xiaomi. So I am changing it. But first let me show you some rules for this custom wake up command. This only supports Chinese character, which is 3 to 6 character, or 4 character is the best. So I am going to use Lina. That means when I am give hello Lina, it will wake up. I am using Lina because Lina resemble with the Chinese word, but it is Hindi word. Hello Lina. You can add more, so I am also giving hey Lina. I am adding one more, that is ni hao means hello in Chinese. You can add many as command you want and set this wake up sensitivity as high. And here are some wake up command that are reply wake up command, that is I am here, please go ahead, what I can do for you. Let me add one more, that is hello technolab. So that's it. Then here we need to set customize offline command words and response word. So here in this section we need to give the voice command that we can use to lock and unlock the door. So first that is behavior. This behavior is like a variable that we use in our code, in our Arduino code. So this is like a variable. So first I am setting it door open. The first behavior is door open, and let me add second one, that is door close. Then here we need to give the command words. So I am giving here command like door open. You can give as many as command you want, just separate it by space and this straight line. The first command I am giving here is door open, and the second one is open door, and also I am giving fourth one, that is for open. I am here, so I think that much of command word is okay. For opening the door I am giving here the door has been opened. So this is for a door open. For door close I am just simply copying it and pasting it here, and in every place where this open word is I am giving close. So door open, not this is door close. So that's it. We need only two behavior, door open and door close. These two are enough. Now click on this control details. Here we need to add control for these command words. For door open, click on this add control. For control type, here we need to select GPIO in which you want to connect the solenoid door lock. I am connecting to GPIO B7. Click on setting, then parameter. For door open, here we are setting higher level trigger. Click on save. Similarly, click on add control for door close. Control type, select the GPIO. The GPIO is B7 and the action setting, this time low level trigger. Click on OK. Action for control is set. Then set the recognition sensitivity. So set it high. And here there are some commands that are wake up free command. That means you need to select the some command that you can use without using a wake up command. So this is total 8 command and we can use up to 10 words. So I am selecting all. Then here we need to configure the speaker. You can select any voice that you want. So here preview is not available, so I am selecting it. Which one I select? I am selecting this tangle and select the volume. I am selecting the volume to 100%, and this is the speed of speech and brightness. Leave this as it is. Here we need to give the boot broadcast message that we need to hear when this VC-02 module will boot. So first time this message will greet to you. So select this on has boot broadcast. If you don't want any boot broadcast message, then you can select this no boot broadcast, and if you want, then select this has boot broadcast. Give anything that you want, any message that you want to hear after booting this VC-02 module. I am giving it welcome to the Technolab Studios. And here set quit timeout. This is by default 10 seconds. I am giving it selecting it 15 seconds. And here you need to set the reply word for the VC-02 module. That means when VC-02 module go in sleep mode, it will inform you by giving these words. The first one is please call me if necessary. You can delete it or you can change it, and also you can add more. So I am adding one more, that is bye bye sir. You can add more. You can add many as reply you want. After that, here you can give quit command, that is command that you want to give to put the VC-02 module in sleep mode. Basically this is a quit command. So the first one is quit. I am leaving it as it is. So let me add some more, that is goodbye Lena. One more, that is quit Lena. You can add many as you want. Also you need to set the reply for quit. That is when you give this quit command, the in response what voice you want to hear. So reply for quit, please call me if necessary. I am adding one more, that is bye bye technolab, goodbye sir. And after that everything is completed. We have configured everything, speaker, command word, sensitivity and everything. But before proceeding, check once again if everything is correct or not. And after checking everything, click here make new version and give any description you want, or just click on OK. And after that click on here build SDK. As you can see, SDK is building. It will take about 10 to 13 minutes. So wait for 10 to 13 minutes until this SDK is building. While this SDK is building, let me show you how to download the firmware flashing tool. To download the firmware flashing tool for VC-02 module, you need to open this documentation page. You will get this link in the description. So open this link and scroll to download the firmware flashing tool. And here you need to download this UART burning tool. So click on this and download the tool. So our tool is downloaded. Now refresh this page to check if this SDK is builded or not. So it is still says 10 to 13 minutes. So wait for this time.
30 minutes later.
So our firmware is successfully built. Now click on here, that is download firmware, to download this firmware. Click on this keep to download the firmware. Once the firmware is successfully downloaded, open this folder, right click and extract it. So this is our firmware in bin format. Now we need to flash this firmware in our VC-02 module. Now extract this firmware flashing tool as well. Right click and extract it. Now open this folder and open this application, that is Uni1 update tool. By using this firmware flashing tool, we will flash firmware to our VC-02 module. So click here and select the firmware that just we have downloaded in this output folder. Click on this, open this, and this last one, this is our firmware for VC-02 module. Select this and open. Now connect the VC-02 module to your computer via USB cable, and after that click on this button. And after pressing this button, you need to press the reset button on the VC-02 module. So as soon as you press the reset button on the VC-02 module, the firmware will start uploading. As you can see the progress, that is 14, 15, 16%. The firmware is started uploading. So wait till this firmware is uploading.
Welcome to the Technolab Studios.
As you can see, as soon as the firmware is uploaded, the boot broadcast message, that is the welcome to Technolab Studio, has been broadcasted. So our firmware is successfully uploaded. So let's make the connection. Now make the connection as per this circuit diagram, and let's see how this our system will work. Here I have connected this solenoid door lock to the VC-02 module using this relay. So this is 12 volt solenoid door lock. So give 12 volt power supply to this solenoid door lock. In your case maybe it is different. So give power supply as per the power specification of the solenoid door lock. So let's power up this whole system and let's see how this system will work.
Welcome to the Technolab Studios.
Hello Lena.
Hello Technolab.
Door open.
The door has been opened.
Door close.
The door has been closed.
Door open.
The door has been opened.
Door close.
The door has been closed.
Please open the door.
The door has been opened.
Please close the door.
The door has been closed.
Quit.
Please call me if necessary.
Hi Lena.
Hello Technolab.
Please open the door.
The door has been opened.
Door close.
The door has been closed.
So as you can see, we can easily lock and unlock this solenoid door lock just by giving voice command to this VC-02 module. So this is very simple but very effective door lock system. Let me show you again by giving some basic command. Hello Lena.
Please go ahead.
Door open.
The door has been opened.
Door close.
The door has been closed.
So that's it in this video. I hope you found this video useful and you learned something new. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed it, and please share this video with anyone who wants to make this type of project. And if you have any question or queries, you can contact me via this number, and also you can email me. This is my email ID. So yeah, that's it. We will meet in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.